So hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a folder or shortcut for Shutdown PC. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Go to your PC and right click, then click on shortcut, then click on new and then click on shortcut, then type shutdown -S-T space O, then click on next. You can find this on comment box also. Then click on finish. Then again right click on properties, click on change the icon, click on OK, then choose the icon and then click on apply, click on OK. After double click on shutdown, this shortcut will help you to turn off your computer easily. This much for today. Until next video, bye.